Use the true and false literals to initialize a bool variable or to pass a bool value. Use the nullable bool type if three-valued logic is needed, for example, when working with databases that support a three-valued Boolean type, true, false, and null.